All right, we are here with Mr. Donovan Duckie. He's the head coach at Vere United. I mean, very good game by your team today, but I know you had some difficulties before the game started. Do you care to talk about what those challenges were that you experienced before the game that would have affected probably how your team started out the game? And the game ended on the lights, though it was a 3 o'clock game.
Well, it is very important for the notes that we played an hour and a half after the scheduled time, and it affected us adversely because of the nutritional aspect, the time that we had lunch before the game. So it affected us, especially in the first phase before the game. We had to warm up twice, and we never wanted to play the game because of the time that had elapsed before or after the kickoff. So it started an hour and a half late, and the first goal was also as a result of that. We couldn't react. It took us 25 minutes in the game to try to get our foot in balance.
Yeah, but because they didn't break your line often, a lot of chances were not created, either by your team or the Mount Pleasant team. So you were in the game for most of the game, good defensive shape, transitioning the ball and all of that, but you never created enough on the offensive end. I mean, and that has been a struggle. Francois Swaby was not in the team. I mean, what can you do with the present crop of players to get some more goals? You are one of the lowest scoring teams in the league as well.
Well, there's a lot of things that we can do, and there's a lot of things that we can't do. Our pre-season preparation, and this is the first I'm going to say this to any journalist. Our pre-season preparation was poor, very, very poor. We have not gotten a point on a grass field. All the points that we have garnered, no one has been noticing that all the points have been at you. So, in terms of the size of the pitch, it is exposing us somewhat. We have players that are capable of doing the job, but as you said, we're not getting up, or you get up in transition. Probably buy a new car and there's no gas, and an old car can bring you where you want to go. So there's not much gas in the tank. So kudos to the guys though, in the second half it was a good performance.
Yeah.
I thought the energy level played at 45 minutes. But it's a learning process still for the club, for all of us, and we hope to improve on this for next season.
Yeah, man. Coach Duckie, all the best to your safe travel. I mean, very valid point about the lateness of the game. I hope in your meetings with the head of the JPL, these things can be sorted out. At this level, it ought not to be happening in our football. But all the best to you and your team. I thought you guys played well today. So all the best for the rest of the season.
Thank you very much.